Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chunky chocolate chip cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl. Into the mixing bowl place your butter, granulated white sugar and light brown sugar. You can then go ahead and beat them all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This doesn't take very long, normally around 5 to 7 minutes. Next you can go ahead and add your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, ensuring that the mixture doesn't scramble. You will notice that the consistency changes and this is completely fine. And just after you've added your eggs, you can also add in your vanilla and just mix it in until fully incorporated. You will then want to go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Make sure you get right at the bottom of the bowl and up the sides of the bowl, as that's where sometimes the ingredients get stuck. You can then go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may be in the dry mixture. Then once that's been added, you can go ahead and add in the chocolate chips. To incorporate everything, start your mixer on a low speed, working your way up to a medium-high speed. You'll notice as the ingredients incorporate, a dough starts to form. You don't want to over mix the dough, otherwise it will have a tough textured cookie at the end of the bake. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. As you can tell, the cookie dough is quite stiff, so it may be a bit more difficult, but don't worry. Then you can go ahead and start scooping your dough up. So I'm using a large ice cream scoop, and this is the perfect amount for each cookie. So then I scoop that up, and then I bring it back into more of a ball shape, and then I'll use a cookie cutter to round it off and give it the shape. So here are what the cookies look like once they have been baked and allowed to cool just enough for me to handle them. Although these cookies are nice fresh from the oven, they're even more gooey and just dense and decadent. So if you're looking for that sort of cookie, this is the recipe for you. As you can tell, you've got chocolate chips studded throughout. Honestly, the perfect chocolate chip cookie. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on them, as I am trying to post more on all of my social media platforms. That's all for today, I hope you enjoyed, bye guys.